Right, so somebody asked me a question on what was the collar that I used for tracking, and the lead and the collar that I use are made by, I don't know if you can see it properly, Niglo. Okay, and this is a tracking collar. It's a broad collar, it's a very comfortable collar on the inside, which is going to come in contact with the dog. Okay, now this, it's actually very stiff, it's a rigid collar here. Okay, it's really well made, it's designed for tracking. And this, in the previous video, I talked about the type of collar you want, but you're going to want a swivel like this, which is not on ordinary collars. Okay, so this enables when the dog is moving and it might be working around bushes or trees or grasses or something, this can actually move, and it's not going to be rigid, so it's not going to hinder the dog. Okay, so the dog will have that maneuverability and flexibility, and it's going to help it just to work, to keep tracking. Tracking lines, there's lots of them out there, but basically you want a kind of a broad, flat tracking line, and these are much easier in the hand, and also they're much better in the way that they're not going to get wrapped up around trees and stuff if you use a round piece of material. So what you want is a nice flat, broad, long line. And this is also can't really see it now, it's kind of faded, made by Niglo. Okay, so that is the long line if I'm using the dog on the long line, and the tracking lead which I use.